Jetski Brothers going dark.
Yep. The light.
Tell them why we're going dark.
We're gonna show you only what you need to see. That's why. We don't want you to see too much. So get used to the darkness as the darkness surrounds us.
So I don't want to like rush out some video that's not quite done or just try to throw something together for a specific day just because that's like an upload video day. So we're gonna make sure to keep the content good and qualitized.
Yep.
And also in a way so that we can make sure that it's good. So anyways, when I say we're going dark, it just refers to us not having an upload schedule anymore. We're just gonna get the content out when it's ready instead of rushing it or trying to make like a video out of nothing.
Yeah, which is in a way what we're doing right now.
Well, sort of, but we're trying to get.
But we're telling you how
we're
it's
trying to
gonna
get that information to you, and also we're kind of telling you a little bit of other things that might be interesting as well. So we're not like having videos on a scheduled specific day anymore. So you're gonna want to turn on those notification bells so you can make sure to see our videos when they come out. And you can also go into your little cell phone and tell your cell phone that it's okay to get notifications from YouTube. That's something that exists.
Yeah, also, I mean, you know, it's okay. You can watch these videos on your cell phone too. I know everybody else just has their desktop computer that you're looking at the videos on, like me. But there actually are a few guys out there that watch these videos on their cell phones, which is kind of cool. Well, I'll tell you guys, what I was working on today, Kawasaki Triple, was not working very good. Would have been a very boring video. Didn't want to have to film it to interrupt what I was doing and slow me down. So would have sucked for you to watch, would have sucked for me to film, and it was not very fun. And you could see me when I'm not very happy, so the video, it makes it look like we're not always having fun here. So there we go. We're just gonna decide not to film as much, like, you know, tinkering with carburetors and oh my gosh, this crap isn't running all the time, because nobody wants to see that.
Right, and for me, I've been wearing this thing most of the day, and well, not most of the day, but a lot.
Well, I have already wiped a lot of the slag off it, but maybe you can see a little bit of that. Maybe the camera's not good enough. Is it X? X marks the spot.
Let's check out what Jacob ends up welding up here for reals when it's not dark in this garage.
Alright, well, I screwed that one up a little bit. Yeah, I definitely got on there a little too long because I was trying to stay on it for the shot.
I was just thinking while you were welding, I was like, we should have just had him weld a piece of scrap.
Yeah.
Aluminum.
Frick, whatever. I mean, this, like, I really care about this piece of crap, but whatever.
I don't want you guys looking around my garage too much. There's like spoilers in here.
Yeah. Like for a frickin' 95 Eclipse. Fast and the Furious.
Just that there.
They're never gonna look at that.
No.
Guys, this is gonna totally work. Because I'm a really good welder, by the way, guys.
Oh man.
Did I tell you how wonderful I am at welding?
Okay, Jacob, that's just not. That's a...
Horse bite. Is it gonna work?
Boy, that has a smell to it.
Yeah, smells good.
Yeah.
Smells like diesel.
Whistling diesel.
Whistling diesel. I had a diesel powered John Deere jet ski. Look it up. Look it up.
There's a lot of interesting old videos you can take a look at if we by chance don't have a video on the scheduled day that you are wanting to see.
I saw the other day, there's like 500 Jetskibrothers videos, so if you guys need something to watch, just go look at one of the old ones that's kind of good. I mean, some of the good ones, they don't have very many views, but I don't know how you're gonna tell if it's a good one or not.
All right, I was really energetic about this, and then I lost it. I was gonna say, Jetskibrothers making jet skis great again, one engine swap at a time.
One engine swap at a time.
But the thing is, Jetskibrothers in 2019 or 2020, we did more personal watercraft engine swaps than the rest of all of the other jet ski YouTube channels combined.
Yeah, minus like, just the one guy that, like if you count every just regular guy in his garage that put up one video and has like, 5 subscribers or whatever, I don't think you can count that.
Yeah, that's not what I'm saying, you know what I mean?
But
we're talking about like the real, like established, like bigger than 1,000 subscriber type channels.
And 1,000 is the entry point for jet ski videos, right? Because if you have however many we have, that's considered big. Oh man.
Oh man.
Funny.
Well, you continue with that. I got a little story I want to tell them. I'm hoping that there's no spoilers in this shot. I'll just cover that. But very recently, I can't talk over this. Very recently, an old promise that Jacob made has come true. Now, if you can go back and find that video, that'd be pretty funny, but Jacob said something or other about being bigger than Watercraft Journal.
Oh my gosh. I remember saying that like a million years ago.
Yeah, so that finally came true. Back when he said it though, we only needed like 7,000 subscribers to be bigger than Watercraft Journal. Oh, how the times have changed.
Yeah, now the whole world's infatuated with jet skis and YouTube videos.
So this another thing that I was thinking is how when we first started out, there was like the few big like jet ski YouTube channels, and they were like huge. They had like 10,000 or 7,000 subscribers.
Yeah, real big.
Man, it's pretty crazy. So I'm imagining there's some like small band of like guys doing jet ski videos, and they're just starting out, and they're like the next Jetskibrothers.
Oh my gosh. You know what? Who was the first car YouTube channel that anybody cared about, huh?
I have no idea.
Me neither.
But
probably big now.
I would love to actually get YouTube to show me those videos from like the smaller YouTube channels of like guys who kind of started the way we did.
Yep, but if you're small, you just gotta remember, you're screwed, you're screwed, you're screwed.
Yeah.
Man, that is so true and kind of horrible to say, but yeah, even if your videos are really good, you're still screwed.
Yeah, and that's just it. You're screwed. That's all there is to it.
Oh man,
You gotta pay your dues, which is like doing just videos for however many years before YouTube even gives a crap.
Ain't that the truth?
But there's also a lot of other factors that go into it, like, trying to make your videos better and more watchable for the people who watch your stuff.
Yeah, but when you only have like 75 people that watch your videos, then it feels like, oh my gosh, I did all this work for that. And I'm saying this as somebody who like will film some videos and I don't edit it, I don't touch the YouTube stuff at all. I watch it after somebody else does all that stuff, and it's like, oh, okay, I must have did an okay job of filming something because somebody cared. But yeah, it's a lot of effort that you gotta do.
So anyways, it's just kind of weird how the times have changed, and that's what I wanted to say about that. Now let's get back to watching Jacob weld some more crap. Just
all right, guys. Guys, you can check out this awesome weld. This looks amazing.
Yeah, let's show him.
Look,
Jacob wanted you guys to see his awesome welding job.
that's how the professionals do it, okay? That's awesome. I'm really proud of that. I'm glad you guys got to see it and we could share it, and just so you guys can praise how good I am. Thanks for noticing how amazing I am. Oh my gosh. Well, if I grind this crap off, it probably will look okay.
They say you're either a welder or a grinder.
Oh, I'm a grinder, guys.
Yeah, me too. I spend a lot more time using a grinder than I do with a welder.
Yeah, I'm more of a mill guy. So we're gonna see how ugly I can make this thing. Ow! There's some sparks there. Well, you wear gloves when you need the gloves. And right now, I guess I need the gloves.
But I need to put a different thing on the thing.
I love the power glove. There we go.
Yeah, you guys can't be looking at that.
Yeah! You know, I know a lot of people are like, man, where do you guys get you a weed? Because you guys think that we gotta smoke a lot of weed to get inspired enough to work on this many jet skis and get enough stuff done. That's what you guys think? I don't know.
No, let me finish that. If you think about it a little bit more, you'll realize that we don't have money to spend on recreational usage of mental
stimulants.
Transmography.
Yeah.
We spend all our money on jet ski stuff, so we don't have like extra money to spend on those sort of, what do you call those things?
Transmogrifications? I don't know.
Transmogrification pills or other types of consumables for these type of things. That was a I think that
you guys are idiots. These guys are idiots.
I'm like swatting it like an invisible fly. Yeah, we don't do any of that.
It's because we have vapors from our air pistols here.
Whoa, don't
shut up.
Okay, hold on, let me tell YouTube something important. So Mr. YouTube algorithm, he said pistol, it's not a firearm, it's a welding device. It's a tool. So don't go freaking out, Mr. YouTube algorithm, checking the video for guns thing.
Oh man. I'm trying to think of another way to say the G word.
Oh, never mind. Just everybody just shout. Just shout. Oh no! Safety squint.
Okay, I only welded through it in a little bit.
Oh yeah, safety squint all the way. Jacob, here, you're gonna need this over here while you're welding.
Okay, thanks. Wonder how ugly the other side is.
Show me your beautiful welds.
Guys, look at my beautiful weld. Look at, that's really nice. You know, I had a dirt bike once that I bought used, and it had like, I don't know, the valve snap in half while the previous owner was riding it. And so it snapped in half and put like a hole in the valve cover, and there was like JB Weld on it. I remember it always leaked. My position, my political position on this is welding it will probably seal it better than JB Weld would.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. I'll tell you, I was way stupider back then. If you can believe that. Yep. We're just having a good time. Heck of a good time.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing over here. I gotta cover something though. Something you're not allowed to see yet. You guys have seen this, so that's okay. This is what I'm doing. Gotta keep this thing nice and clean. Well, don't look in this area either. There we go. Now, let's go back to Jacob.
This looks like fart. Honestly, I could have just bought another one of these things, but I don't know.
Maybe I should have.
I've done enough projects where you spend money on little knickknacks and stuff where you didn't necessarily have to. Finish the project and it sucks. Totally sucks and it wasn't worth it. So sometimes you can cut those corners early and then just go back. If it doesn't suck when you finish it, you can go and...
I also like his theory. The problem that I have is I forget the things that I was going to go back and make nice when I'm all done.
Well, that's why you got to have your Cam Jansen photographic memory.
You know, isn't it ironic that we were just saying that we're going to stop doing videos on a schedule so that the videos can be like more better, and then...
Oh, well, this is the announcement video of that, so it's going to suck.
And the reason we're stretching it out is because YouTube is forcing us, otherwise you won't be able to see it. I find that YouTube really likes to downgrade your video as far as like letting people see it and like getting it out there if it's not long enough. And I know they've been trying to make some tweaks to get away from that, but that still does kind of play a part. It's kind of a complicated thing of how that works, but that still is annoyingly kind of important. Sort of.
Yeah, I mean, we're assuming you care about us and you want to see us. You know, we're just assuming that. I mean, you like coming out and watching the videos and you think it's great. After you guys watch this video, probably a week will go by, and then we'll be just pounding out 3 videos a week, and it'll be like that forever. Probably once people get that in their head that, oh my gosh, Jetski Brothers, they're not putting out as many videos, then it'll probably go right back to a lot of videos all the time.
Jacob is exactly right about that. Remember, we're going dark. Hit the little bell. Make sure your phone will allow YouTube to give you notifications. Then you can see our videos when they actually come out. Oh, and then can you turn off the light switch?
I can't see it, this thing.
It's gonna be such a good ending too. All right, now pretend like you're in the same spot. Now I actually can't see what I'm doing, and I don't have any way of making light. Way of making light.
Give in to the light.
Oh man.